You will have to visit our portal. First, click on individual login.
Okay.
After that, click on login via username. Once you are logged in, you will see there an option of help desk. Click on help desk. Then click on raise a complaint. Then you will see an option of type. In that option, you will have to select dispute transaction. And in subtype, you will have to select wrong debit adjustment. Then you have got the trip number in the SMS. You will have to enter the trip number. Then mention in the description that the amount has been deducted wrongly. 240 rupees was deducted instead of the actual amount. You will see there an option of attach files. You will have to attach the RC books photo and your vehicle's image. After that, click on submit. Your complaint will be raised. The amount that has been deducted wrongly, your 240 rupees, it will be refunded to you within 25 working days.